Want to know how to spot every type of inheritance in Java with one code? It's time to decode inheritance in Java. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can just simply see or decode the heart of OOP in Java. So we have types of inheritance right here. So we have this small simple kind of code. So we have inheritances like singular inheritance. This means one class inherits another. Simple parent-child relationship. Multi-level inheritance goes deeper. A class inherits another that already inherited from someone else, like a family chain. So in this video as well, and in this code as well, you can see the example of it. And then finally, we got hierarchical inheritance. In this inheritance, we have one parent with multiple children classes. That's it. Super simple and easy. This is how Java passes properties and methods down the line. So once you visualize these three inheritance, it becomes super easy to understand and even more fun to code. So you can just simply run this example right here to show you how it works. And there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.